Hey guys, I'm back. I made a butterfly barrette out of Girl Scout material. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these on the serger. You can skip several steps by using the serger, because the serger clamps the ends and cuts the ends as you sew. So let me get to this last part. Remember, the bottom is 4.5, and the top is an inch bigger. So whatever size you make it, make the square piece an inch bigger. So now that I finished with the second piece, sometimes the thread gets tangled in the serger. Ooh, the serger can stress you out. For real. I'll show you how to thread the serger when you want to sew the normal way and when you want to do a roll count. So now what we got both pieces